What's up, guys? So I'm out here on another run in New York Central Park. I love Central Park. I love it. Check out, I'm right in front of, this is called Angel of the Waters. It's meant to it's a statue representing like purification or something of the water. But basically, I wanted to encourage you guys, I'm out here on a run. Run! Don't walk to your goals. So a lot of people, the people that I see having success, I study billionaires for a living. If you guys know this, I'm obsessive about studying billionaires and studying people who are successful. And one thing they all have in common is urgency. They're out there, they're doing things, and they have a sense of urgency to their entire life. Now you have to ask yourself, you want to be in a good relationship, you want to meet a good girl, you want to own a house, you want to build a business, you want to, have a better body, whatever it is. Are you walking to your goals? Are you doing a little bit of research online late at night? Are you reading a book every 3 to 6 months to learn how to do better? Are you going to the gym every couple weeks, once a week? Now, if you are, you're walking. You're walking through life. You're walking to your goal, and you're never gonna get there, okay? This is a reality check. Don't mean to be harsh, but I love you and I want to be clear. You're not gonna get to your goal if you're just walking. You have to run. You have to have a sense of urgency to your life. You have to sit on the edge of your seat when you're watching, maybe my training videos or somebody else's teaching you about life. You have to sit on the edge of your seat. You have to be running.
I can climb that mountain.
You have to be running to reach your goals, because otherwise you're not going to get there. So that sense of urgency, I'm trying to think of how it manifests in life, but I would say, I'm, as an entrepreneur, I've, been an affiliate marketer for years, right? And the problem is campaigns come and go, right? And sometimes, in paid advertising, what I did, which is media buying, you might make $100,000 or a couple $100,000 in a month, and then you might make nothing, okay, the next month. So it's like that. And the months you make a couple $100,000, it's great. It's great. Months you don't, whatever. But every time that I would have my dip, I would work like a freaking banshee. It didn't matter if at the time I had, whatever, let's say I had $500,000 saved up in my bank account, and but I wasn't making any money. I wouldn't say, and I had no expenses. I wouldn't say, oh, okay, well, I'll figure things out. I'll go on a little vacation and I'll figure things out. I would work like a freaking banshee. I would work routinely till 4 a.m. in the morning. I would get up at 9. I'd get up at like 9 or 8:30, and I'd work till 4 or 3 a.m. or 2 a.m. somewhere. Routinely. I'm crazy, and I would never stop until I had my income back. And I did that. And I did that quite a bit to get to that next level. When I had my job, when I was working my corporate job, there was something, I forget at what point, I think it was when my boss told me I was never getting a raise, but something clicked in me. And I said, fuck, the corporate life is never going to get me to where I want to be. It's not. And every second that ticked by, I knew I was just getting further away from my goal, or I wasn't making any progress. So I worked like crazy to land me my basically my first 2 clients, I said, I'm gonna land a client that pays me $10,000 a month, 1 client, and that's all I'm gonna do, because I was making $6,000 a month at the time. So I said, if I can get one $10,000 a month client, I'm good. And that's, not a job, a client. Different, right? And I ended up getting 2, but I worked like crazy. Over the next, I'd say 4 or 5 months. 4 months it took me, and I landed 2 $10,000 a month clients. And in addition to what I was making freelancing at the time, which was somewhere in the range of 4, I started doing pretty well, right? So, but you gotta run to your goals. You gotta have a massive sense of urgency. Even the way my tone of voice is right now, if you guys can notice, I have a sense of urgency to my voice. I'm not talking to you guys kind of bumbling like this, talking to you about things that might be important. I'm talking to you about things that are important. So have that sense of urgency, and you can see it. You can see it in the way people walk. You can see it the way people talk. You can hear it in the way people talk. You can see it in people's postures. There's a lot you can tell about people. So I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna get back to my run. But if you guys enjoyed this vlog, and if you guys enjoy beautiful Central Park, look at that, beautiful Central Park, give this video a like, and leave a comment. I love talking to you guys. I love hearing from you guys. And I hope I'm motivating you to be better versions of yourself. I do this because I want to give back to the world, and I want to see you guys all become super, super, super successful. So let's do this. Hey, thanks for watching the video. And if you enjoyed this and you want to see more, make sure you like, you subscribe, hit that notification bell, or comment. And if you'd like to actually learn how it is I run my internet business and make piles of money like this, make sure you click the link below in the description or in the first comment, and I will show you. Peace.